Hey friends, we're creating some holiday projects over on the Olive Street Creations Facebook page. This video was originally recorded as a Facebook Live, so if you'd like to see the entire video, be sure to head over to my Facebook page. So for this project, I grabbed a cutting board that I found at Hobby Lobby, and you can see I taped off a portion and then I painted it white. I did give it 2 coats of white paint. And then I'm going to take this holiday pine transfer. This is a fun holiday background transfer that came out last year, and they brought it back for the holiday season. And then I'm going to chalk it with some shimmer copper. Shimmer copper is one of my absolute favorite shimmer pastes. Once I do that, I'm going to chalk a Season's Greetings in another shimmer paste, and then I'm going to add some greenery and some ribbon and make this fun little chalkboard a bit festive. So I love how this project turned out. Like I said, if you'd like to watch the entire video, be sure to head over to my Facebook page, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. And also click the notifications button so that you are notified every time I upload a video. Thanks for watching.